Who here watches YouTube every day? Who here has a YouTube channel? Yes. All right, guys. For those of you who have a YouTube channel, or for those who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, YouTube always is thinking of ways to get us interacting with our viewers. It's really great. So I want to show you something really, really cool that YouTube has for us creators. And it involves a mobile. Okay, thanks. All right, guys. So see this? I got my mobile here. Now to really appreciate this, guys, all of you who here has a mobile with them now, raise it in the air. Raise it in the air, yes? Okay, to really appreciate this experience, you guys gotta go on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. To really appreciate it, you guys must subscribe to me. Look up Mikey Bustos videos. Go, I'll give you 10 seconds. Go subscribe. Okay, come on, go, go, go. Okay. Now that you guys are subscribed, what YouTube has for us creators is a new YouTube live function. Us creators can create YouTube videos live directly from our cell phone. Yes. And I'm actually going to do my very first YouTube live with you guys for my channel. Okay, so this is about just under 400,000 subscribers. You guys have to represent Manila. So I want you guys to make some noise as soon as I go live. So here's my channel. I just press this button. There we go, see? And then we have a choice to either go record or live, and I will press live. See? I press live. Now all I gotta do, there's kind of a delay. See, you have record and then you have go live. We kind of tested it. See those faces there? Manila. Oh my goodness, one hand typing. All right. Then we press next. Smile for a thumbnail. Smile. All right. And we hit go live. I'm just gonna wait a few moments. Live in Manila, you see? Like so. It's really cool, trust me. We smile for the thumbnail. And then here we go. I'm gonna click go live in just a moment. Here we go. You guys ready? 1,